Creating a legally binding contract doesn't always require an attorney. With the right knowledge and attention to detail, you can draft enforceable agreements that protect your interests while saving on legal fees. A valid contract must include several key elements to be enforceable. These include an offer from one party, acceptance by the other party, consideration or exchange of value, a legal purpose, and competent parties who are of legal age and sound mind. Before drafting any contract, understand that different states may have specific requirements, especially for industries like real estate, healthcare, or door-to-door sales. Research applicable laws in your jurisdiction to ensure compliance. The foundation of any contract begins with clearly identifying all parties involved. Use full legal names and business entities where appropriate. Next, outline what each party gains from the agreement, known as consideration. This could be money, goods, services, or other forms of value. The main body of your contract should explicitly define the terms. Detail the work to be performed, prices, timelines, payment schedules, and deliverables. Ambiguity is the enemy of a good contract, so be specific and thorough. Include additional terms covering important scenarios such as contract termination conditions, whether the contract can be transferred to another party, and which state laws apply to the agreement. Consider adding clauses for dispute resolution through mediation or arbitration to avoid costly litigation. Many contracts fail due to preventable mistakes. Avoid vague language that could be interpreted differently by each party. Ensure no key terms are missing, such as payment details or deadlines. Define clear remedies for breach of contract, and include a termination clause specifying how the agreement can be ended. In today's digital world, electronic contracts hold the same legal weight as paper documents. The electronic signatures in Global and National Commerce Act and the Uniform Electronic Transactions Act establish that digital contracts and e-signatures are legally binding. When using electronic contracts, ensure both parties consent to the format and use reputable e-signature platforms. While not always required, notarization adds an extra layer of protection by verifying the identities of signers. Similarly, witnesses can strengthen enforceability, especially for contracts involving significant sums or long-term commitments. Once the contract is complete, ensure all parties receive signed copies and keep records of the agreement, including the date of signing. Each person signing must have the authority to enter into the agreement on behalf of the entity they represent. Remember that contracts must be balanced to be enforceable. One-sided agreements that give unfair advantage to one party may be difficult to enforce. The goal is to create clarity and mutual protection. While many contracts can be created without legal assistance, complex situations may still warrant professional help. Attorneys bring valuable expertise in avoiding loopholes and representing your interests during disputes. Creating legal contracts without a lawyer is entirely possible when you understand the essential elements, avoid common pitfalls, and ensure clarity throughout the document. With careful attention to detail and thorough research, you can draft agreements that protect your interests and provide a solid foundation for business relationships.